Hi guys, hi friends, it's Maya again coming to you with another video. Um, we're going to be planting my tomato plant today. I'm doing a little garden on a Sunday morning. Um, I'm going to be reusing quite a few stuff or recycling quite a few stuff as well. So stay tuned. So as I said before guys, I'm going to be planting tomatoes in a container this year instead of into my garden plot. I'm going to leave the plot for like a spinach like vegetable called callaloo. So I'm going to be planting that in my plot this year, and then put tomatoes and the cucumbers in a container. So this container, um, I had planted some spring onions in last year, so I'm going to reuse the soil, top it up a little bit, and then put our tomato plant in this container. So as I said, it's a great way to recycle, keep this container out of the environment, and yeah. Here we go. So okay, so I'm just taking out those weeds out of the container, guys, and then I'm going to kind of fluff it up a little bit. And then, oh, it's nice and wet from the rain last night, so this is good, this is wonderful. I'm going to mix in some manure in here as well, just to make sure it has its proper nutrition. And then I'm going to put the tomatoes in this container. So here we go, stir it up a little bit. Okay, so let me get some manure in here, then I'm going to get the tomato in. This is easy breezy, nice gardening to do when you have small spaces, is to use a container to plant in. Okay, so let me get some of the sheep manure that I'm using. This is the stuff that I put in my garden plot, and this bag of manure I got from a local supermarket. Okay, and actually no, this is from Walmart, guys. Sorry, this is from Walmart. So here we go, I'm just going to have some sheep manure, lots of big chunks, so break it in, mix it into the soil, and then I'm going to top it up some more. Mix it in. I put on a glove today, only because the soil is really wet and really needs a good work. Oh, nice worms in here too. Ooh, this is good. I don't think you can see it on the video, but you have some worms in. So I'm using old soil, mixing it in with some compost and some new soil, and we'll see what happens. Okay, so oh, that looks nice. I'm going to top it off with some fresh soil when I'm done. So what I'm doing today is sweet cherry tomatoes. This is what I'm planting in the container today. Okay, and then I'm going to put it in some sun. Ooh, I see a potato bug as well. I'm going to make a nice hole in the middle. Nice hole in the middle. I'm going to take this out of the container, break it up a little bit. Ooh, I watered it this morning, so it's a little bit wet. And then I'm going to put it deep in. There you go. So here we go. Then I'm going to top it up with some fresh soil, and we should be done. Now the sheep manure has fertilizer already in it, so this is why I didn't add any more fertilizer to this. So here we go. I'm going to top it up with some garden soil. This one is from my local supermarket, and I'm just going to add it in, and I'm going to put it out so that it gets a lot of sun, and hopefully in the next week or so I'll give you an update to see how far it has become. Okay, so I'm just topping this up with some garden soil. I'm just going to even it out, and the soil is already pretty wet, guys, so I don't think I'm going to add any more water. And then in the next couple of days it should also rain again, so I won't add any more water to this right now. Okay, so there it is, my super sweet cherry tomatoes, and I'm going to put the label in here so we know what it is. Put it out in the sun for a little bit and leave it there. So as I told you guys, easy breezy, nice thing to do on a Sunday morning. It's about 6 a.m. when nobody's out. You hear birds singing and the cars are passing by, but that's it. So now I'm going to put this out in the sun, and I'll show you where I put it, and then yeah, that's it. So there it goes, guys. I put the tomato in the sun. Hopefully get some sun from here. It's nice, and I just need to add maybe one of those tomato cage around it. Maybe in a little while though, but so a week from now I'll come out and I'll give you an update on how well it's growing. Okay, thank you for watching, and don't forget, not everybody wonders is lost, and always strive for something better. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.